The Buffalo City Metro Municipality Executive Mayor Honorable Councillor Xola Pakati held the State of the City address at the East London International Convention Centre on the 4th of August. This in part addresses the issue of the impact the COVID-19 has had in the economy of the city and the rest of the world.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Speaker of our Council, Councillor Xola, the Executive Mayor of our city, Councillor Xola Pakati, and our First Lady, Ms. Pakati, members of the legislature who have joined us today, Deputy Ministers who are here today, MEC of Community Safety, Ms. Letikana, MEC of COPTA, Mr. Colin Lana, the President of SALVA, Councillor Pakati, the Chief Whip of our Council, Councillor Xola.
I come here bearing no promises or wishful thinking, but concrete development projects that are meant to change the face of the city for the better. We should take this moment to issue our Women's Month salutations to all the women of our city who continue to be the bedrock of not only our families, but our communities. We are standing here committing ourselves to fight for gender emancipation, and we will relentlessly wage the war against the pandemic of gender-based violence. We strengthen and make us even more strong, formidable city that has a lively culture suitable for raising children and an industrial base that will create employment for our residents, thereby pushing back the frontiers of poverty.
Not everyone was happy at the State of the City address, as the mayor was met with protesters from the municipality as the cleaners complaining about the jobs they have lost.
Mrs. Malobola Putwam, asibhiyoza ituthi nasiyalila ngenxa yokuba sikhutshelwe ngaphandle kumsebenzi. Sisebenze for 4 years. Singene as EPWP esebenza from 3 months to 6 months. I-contract zethu khange zibe na date yawuphela. Siye saqhubekeka sasebenza unyaka waphela wesibini waphela wesithathu waphela wangulo wesine. Sisebenza under i-COVID condition from level 5 to level 1 sisebenza. Nge-5 kaMeyi kuye kwabhalwa ngumasipala wethu lo simthandayo lo siphansi kwe-ANC wakhe wabhala i-memorandum nge-5 kaMeyi. Lo memorandum sifundelwe nge-14 kaJuni. Isithi siphelelwa imisebenzi nge-30th kaJuni. Sesebenzile ngexesha le-COVID, sinyundula impethu, sichola izinto ezifileyo.
Africa Baki from Taxi Image Online TV, East London International Convention Centre.